Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to remove the added fingerprint lock from this device. So in this device I already set one fingerprint lock. You can see the fingerprint scanner is enabled. Tap it, you can see it is unlocked. So let me show you how to remove the fingerprint lock from this device. For this, simply go to settings, scroll down, tap on security and privacy, tap on device unlock, tap on face and fingerprint unlock, tap on fingerprint. So here we need to enter our current screen lock. So here you can see only finger 1 is added to in this device. So at the right side of this name of the fingerprint, you can see 3 dots. Tap on this one. Then here you can see one pop-up window to delete. Tap on this one. You can see delete this fingerprint. You can delete this one. Tap on delete. Yeah, it is deleted. So simply in this way you can remove the added fingerprint lock from this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.